Hi, this is Bo Astrup. In March 2016, I made a short video on how I fixed a conga track for a record that I was mixing. As you can see in that video, it took me quite a bit of work and workarounds to get a decent result, not perfect as I was only fixing one of the conga beats. It is a mono track, and as you can see here, it is definitely clipping. The worst part of it is when you have the clicking on specifically the low conga, it doesn't work in the mix at all. It sounds, this ringing you get from the harmonic distortion is not very pleasant. Let me play a little bit for you here. Let's go to the mixing board and let me bypass these two plugins. So this is how it's recorded. Doesn't sound very nice, huh? Now, moving fast forward here to May 2019, we have so many great new software which is going to help us do this in a much more fast and efficient way. I have gotten two pieces of software. First, Acon Digital Restoration Suite, which retails for $99 at Sweetwater. And with Acon Digital Restoration Suite, you actually get 4 plugins. You get denoise, DeClip, which is the one I'm going to show you in a moment, dehum, and DeClick. Awesome tools from Acon Digital, a great company out of Norway. They have other great tools. Specifically right now, they just released the Reverberate 2, an awesome reverb that I highly encourage you to go and check out. The other software that I've gotten is from Greek company accusonus. I got the accusonus Era bundle. There's a standard version of the bundle which retails for $149 and the pro version which retails for $399. DeClipper is one of the great plugins from the Era bundle, and you can buy those individually. And if you're buying those individually, you should do yourself a favor and check out the de-esser and de-plosive as well. And again, the DeClipper as an individual plugin is $59 at Sweetwater. And by the way, shout out to my man here, Tyler Moore, being a fantastic guy, has helped me out a lot. Definitely great, knowledgeable guy. Now, let's get on with it. So here I have the first copy of the track, and I have accusonus DeClipper on it. I just inserted it here. So let me just play the track for you. Let me bypass DeClipper. Now I'll enable it. Wow! I just inserted it, and I didn't adjust anything. We can see here it's a little overloaded, so I'll drag this down, I guess. This is very new to me. It's the first time I'm using it, but I'm just blowing away. Let's bypass it. Wow, it just totally works. Actually, let's go to the sequence here, click the track and freeze it. Okay, let's open it and have a look at the waveform. Nice and round. So this is accusonus DeClipper from either the Era bundle or as an individual plugin for $59. Now let's mute this track and let's have a look at Acon Digital. So Acon Digital DeClipper has a few more parameters to work with, but this is just straight out of the box. So let's just cue the music. Wow, again, a total wow. I just inserted it here. I didn't adjust anything. The software just totally cleaned up this track. Let me freeze this track. And let's have a look at the waveform from this one. Nice, nice, very nice. So with Acon Digital Restoration Suite, you not only get DeClip, you also get denoise, dehum, and declick for $99 at Sweetwater or your preferred retailer. This is Bo Astrup. You know what to do.